Yanti, get 'em Yanti, get 'em Yanti, get 'em, get 'em, get 'em Yanti, get 'em Yanti, get 'em Yanti, get 'em, get 'em. All right, I'm getting carried away. All right, it's Crypto Yanti, and what we're going to talk about today is how to send and receive crypto. So we're diving into one of the easiest ways to lose your crypto if you're not careful, and that's sending and receiving crypto, because it ain't just clicking a button. One wrong address, one skip memo, one bad network, and your funds could be gone for good. So let's break down how to do it the right way. Now, the first step is to open your wallet like MetaMask, right? So this is MetaMask. And what you want to do here is you can kind of see the way that this is set up. Now, the first thing, if you don't have MetaMask set up, you go to metamask.io and set up your MetaMask account. You're going to get 12 words. Those are your seed phrases, and they should not be shared with anyone. Now, typically what happens is, and this is the part that I didn't understand, right, when I first started with this. When I first started with MetaMask, they didn't have like this buy button, right? If you click like the buy button, it takes you to where you could use like your credit card and things like that to buy whatever coin you want. Buy Ethereum, buy whatever it is that you're looking to buy. And that's like the first step to get crypto in here. You can use your credit card, which is cool, and then you use like you can buy in multiples of $5 or so $100, $50 or what have you. You can use PayPal to get the money in here, well, not use PayPal, but this is the PayPal USD currency that you can use, and this will be the equivalent of $1, and it will be on the Ethereum network that this is being installed on. So you have to take note of that, right? Now, the other thing that you need to be aware of is if you don't want to buy the crypto, what you can do is you can send it to yourself. And you would send it to yourself from things like Coinbase. Remember we talked about that? Kraken. You would send it here. And how you would send it, you would click receive. And then depending on which crypto you want, right? So like if you want Ethereum to be sent here, the cool thing about MetaMask is that the address is pretty much the same. And so, well, not pretty much, it is the same. And so you don't have to worry about fumbling what crypto can go over here. So, but there are specific ones. Not all crypto can go to MetaMask. You have to be aware of that too. But you copy this address and you take it to Coinbase or Kraken or KuCoin, and you drop it there. And I'll give you an example here, right? So like if you were in KuCoin or Coinbase, you would click the send button and you could paste, like that would be the crypto that you chose, right? If you go back in here, you can choose other crypto, like you can choose Ethereum, right? Or Drip. But the cool thing is like I said, the address. This is important. You have to make sure that you copy and paste the address correctly. You would send maybe like $3 or $4 worth of it. Click continue, and that will be that. But the first thing that you do is you verify your first send, if that makes sense. You verify your first send. So you would send like $5 over from Coinbase. You would send that $5 over from Coinbase, and then once you do that, and it shows up in your account, then you know that you've received it. So, just one more time because I felt like I fumbled that. In order to get Kip Crypto into this account, you need your wallet's address. And so you click receive, you copy this address. Now, typically what you would do is, I'm just in MetaMask. I'm not opening up my Coinbase account, but you would take that address that you just got and you would go to Coinbase and paste it. When you go to Coinbase, it has a send button. You would click send and it's going to say, okay, what crypto do you want to send? You're going to pick Ethereum or BNB or what have you. You click Ethereum and then it's going to say, okay, what's the wallet address? You're going to paste the wallet address that you got from the wallet that you want to send it to. And you're going to paste the amount. Now this first amount is a test amount. Your second amount should be the full amount that you want to send over. And that's that. You would go through the process and click continue and everything. And that's it. Simple.